First of all, you ascertain or you make a judgment about whether or not there are any problems. So the assumption is that the world is full of problems. So when you look around for the biggest problems, in my opinion, the biggest problem is racism in the form of white supremacy.
Mm-hmm.
So you first recognize that that is the problem. People have to agree, what is the biggest problem on the planet? So I came to the conclusion many years ago, it took me quite a while to get around to it, that the biggest problem is this problem of what I finally discapsulized by saying white supremacy or racism, which racism and white supremacy are one and the same. That if you solve that problem, the other problems will be real easy to solve in all of the areas of activity: economics, education, entertainment, labor, law, politics, religion, sex, and war. But that's the first hurdle, is to get everybody on that same page if you possibly can. That's what I'm trying to do, to say that you can't solve any problem on this planet unless you solve the problem of racism. You might as well forget it, trying to solve any problem between people. Now, you might be able to to solve some scientific problems that has to do with physical science. I mean, like curing a disease or something like that. But in connection with people, the white supremacists, if you come up with a cure for a disease, they immediately take command of that. And then they start spreading the disease and curing it based on their power and who they want to have the disease and who they don't want to have the disease. That's why I'm saying everything that people do is going to lead right into the white supremacist argument. And so, therefore, that should be the priority for every person on the planet. Solve this problem of racism, and do that by producing a product to replace it called justice, which means what? Guaranteeing that no person is mistreated and guaranteeing that the person that needs help the most gets the most constructive help.